Hi, my name is Miss Bernetti. I teach, in addition to Algebra 1, I teach Algebra 2B and Math Intervention.
Hi, I'm Miss Sarah Johnston. I teach Algebra 1, Algebra 2B, and AP Stats.
And I'm Miss Manrose, and I teach Algebra 1.
I'm Miss Formatag. I am student teaching with Miss Manrose as well as Mr. Gillen.
Welcome to Algebra.
What a day will typically look like for our students is they'll log on to Google Classroom, they'll join a Google Meet, and they'll open the daily class kick for the day. We'll be using class kick daily for the following items: homework questions, warm-up questions, exits, build-in notes, and a link to our video. There'll also be a link on there for their homework. It's called the MXL. Within the class kick, we will be able to write directly on the students' slides and give them feedback in real time.
It's a pretty cool program that your students experience for the first time already. So ask them about it. So our expectations are a little bit different from a traditional class, but there's still some things that are the same, such as being prepared. So we want to make sure that their homework is done and they have any questions ready to go at the start of each class so that we can address that right away. This is one of the most important ones where they have to be active. So maybe their camera's off and they're just sitting there doing nothing. That's not active. That's going to be very, very hard for them to learn something. So participating in discussions, asking questions. There's this little emoji thing in the corner to give thumbs up or down when we ask questions. So it's so important that they're not afraid to ask for help and participate when needed like that. Next is a support system. So us teachers will gladly help them out, but if they have friends in each class, that's also a good tool to use to get some peer support and help, which leads me to 4, where I'm readily available through email for any questions if they need help. I would also encourage them to ask a friend first before asking me, because maybe they figured it out and can help. It's a good way to be an awesome resource like that. Be on time. So far, I've had some pretty good results with kids signing into that Google Meet early with a charged Chromebook. That's really good too. Number 7, lucky number 7. You have to be sure that you are not on your bed whenever possible. Your bed has been training your brain. This is where I sleep. So now all of a sudden you're going to try to do homework and learn in the place that you sleep. That's very hard for your brain. So it highly is encouraged to sit on the floor of your bedroom or sit on a table or a desk if possible, so that you have your own separate workspace and you're good to go. And as we said before, participating in the Google Meet. So that means doing the thumbs up, thumbs down, turning on your camera, turning off your muted mic, and responding to things. Participating and be focused is very, very crucial and important.
Our grading is split up into 2 categories. We have formative assessments. This is worth 40% of your grade. That is things like homework, journal assignment, classroom activities, or small quizzes. Our summative grades, that's the larger portion of your grade, 60%. That's larger quizzes, tests, and the final exam. Daily homework, it is going to be given as a worksheet or an online program such as Math Excel, Google Forms, Delta Math, Flipgrid, or Class Kick. Some homework will be checked for completion, others will be checked for accuracy. Because all our assignments are online, it's important to make sure you are showing your work as much as possible in these methods. That being said, if you or your student are experiencing technology issues with these online assignments, please contact your teacher as soon as possible so we are able to get you the help that you need. Late homework will be accepted until the end of the unit, but it may result in a reduced grade. Assignment calendars will be provided to your student as well.
And then for attendance, it's mandatory that you log into Google Meet. Make sure you're on time because we do take attendance at the beginning, and we want to make sure you're there, ready to go, and we can start right away. And then a reminder, late start moved from Fridays to Wednesdays. So just make sure you have that at the back of your mind, that you're on time on Fridays and late start is now your Wednesday.
Set reminders on your calendar on your phone. And one last thing I want to mention too is that we are the Algebra 1 team. So you may see and hear and see my chicken scratch handwriting for some of the videos, even though your teacher is Miss Manrose or Miss Bernetti or vice versa. So just know that we're all working together, and the videos will be shared and the assignments will be shared. So you'll experience all 4 of these amazing Algebra 1 teachers with their videos and lessons regardless of who their assigned teacher is. Yay, Algebra!